Welcome to BoldSign eSignature. In this video, I'll guide you through setting the default signature and initials in BoldSign. Default signatures and initials are essential, especially when signing a document. They save time by eliminating the need to select them each time you sign. It streamlines the signing process and ensures a consistent, uniform identity, making your workflow efficient and professional. Let's consider a scenario in which an HR manager in an organization is tasked with handling job applications that require approval through signatures. The HR manager optimizes this process by configuring his default signature and initials in the BoldSign account. This process not only saves time, but also improves consistency when reviewing and signing documents. Let me show you how to set the default signature and initials now. First, I navigate to the BoldSign application page and expand the settings menu. I choose the My Profile option to navigate to the My Profile page. To set my default signature and initials, I move to the Manage Signature or Initials section, which has the signature and initial fields. To set a default signature, I click the Signature field. The Signature dialog box, which consists of 3 sections, opens. In the Type section, the signature format is in text, with signature styles auto-generated based on the name provided in the Your Name field. I can change the font color of the signature. From the auto-generated styles, I select the style I like and save it. Otherwise, I can manually draw my signature using a mouse in the Draw section and save it. If it's not my preference, I can delete it using the Clear button. In the Upload section, I can upload a signature as an image file from my computer by clicking the Browse button. The supported formats are also included. I set the auto-generated signature style as the default signature, and then save my changes. Now, I can use the selected style. I can also change my default signature by hovering over the signature field and selecting Edit. Next, I need to set the default initials. To do this, I click the Initial field. The Initial dialog box opens. The Initial dialog box also has 3 sections, just like the Signature dialog box. I navigate to the Type section and select the required style. I then save my changes by clicking the Save button. Now I can use both the selected signature and initials in the documents I am going to sign. Next, I need to approve job applications by adding my signature and initials. Now let me show you how the default signature and initials work. I first locate the job application form from the My Document page and click to navigate to its overview page. I click the Sign Document button to navigate to the signing page. Here I need to review the provided details and approve the same by adding my signature and initials. When I click the Signature field, my default signature is automatically filled. If necessary, I can also change my signature by right-clicking the Signature field and selecting the Change Sign option. Then I can choose a signature and click the Accept and Use button in the Signature dialog box. Next, I add my initials. Upon clicking the Initials field, my initials are automatically filled. I can also change the initials. I then complete the signing process by clicking the Complete Signing button. That's all about setting and working with the default signature and initials in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.